You've definitely seen these e.l.f. products all over TikTok and YouTube, but do they live up to the hype? I'm doing a full face of e.l.f. using all of their viral products, and I have thoughts. Some of these products are dupes for products that are worth like $40, but are they actually worth your money? Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today is all about e.l.f., but not just about any products. Products that I was influenced to buy because they were viral online. And if you love affordable makeup like I do, I just posted a video with all of my drugstore favorites, so go check it out on my channel. But today, it's all about e.l.f. So let's see what the hype's about. You already know what it is, the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. These have been called a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I think they're right. These are worth the purchase in my opinion. They're sticky, they're grippy, and your makeup won't move all day. I will say though, the regular versus the niacinamide one, they're the exact same in my opinion. Maybe this one's doing a little bit more for my skin, but I don't feel a difference. It is pink though, so we're gonna go in with the pink one. I'm sure you've seen the video of people sticking like all kinds of wild things to their face with this primer. That's not AI, it really is that sticky. I'll show you. Yeah. I was gonna show you my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter next, but honestly, I'm not a fan. They don't have any cool tone shades, and so I got the lightest one when I tried it, and it made my face completely orange. I don't even keep it in my makeup kit, which is why I don't have it with me today. So instead, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation, which I do like. As you can see, this pulls a little orange on me too, but it's definitely better. I don't have any e.l.f. foundation brushes, so this will have to do. I swear I liked this last time, but it just feels like it's clinging to all of my dry spots. I will say it's pretty true to medium coverage, so it did cover up and kind of even out a lot of my face, but left a little bit of the redness, which I'm sure I could build up, and some of my blemishes as well. I think I tried this in the winter last time, but it feels heavy for a summer foundation. Now the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer I do own, but it's a little bit too full coverage for me. I much prefer, and have been using a lot, the e.l.f. Putty Color Correcting Eye Brightener. And I use this as concealer, honestly, like not just under my eyes. It's this beautiful pinky color that reminds me a lot of my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. They're like a similar shade, but of course this is full coverage. So I have it just on this eye right here, and you can see how it color corrects my under eyes in a way that's natural but also brightening. And I usually do my eyelids as well because they're a little bit veiny. It's a very natural dewy finish, which I really like. I have two bronzers to pick from, but this one is probably more viral. It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Contour, and it's a Charlotte Tilbury dupe, and it is messy. I don't really remember what the pigment is like on this product, so hopefully I didn't put on too much, but let's see. Oh, okay, yeah, super blendable. I just want you to keep in mind that I purchased all of these products when I was still trying to figure out what shades looked good on me, so everything's a little bit too warm for my skin tone. I'm just gonna go in with a beauty blender to clean this up a little bit. I did use too much. I also have two options for blush. I have the Putty Blush as well as the Camo Liquid Blush. This is a relatively new product for them, and I haven't formed an opinion on it yet. I've used the Camo Liquid Blush maybe once, so I thought we would try it today. If I recall, it's extremely pigmented, so I'm just gonna put a little on and then go from there. I already feel like that's too much. Little hack for you guys, the Putty Primer Applicator Brush from e.l.f. works very well with liquid blushes, so I use it all the time, never for its intended purpose. Oh, she's bright. This is really pretty. I'm actually so impressed. I remember not liking this. I was a little heavy-handed though, so I am gonna go back in with the sponge. But wow, the color is so pretty. I actually can't get over it. I'm gonna wear this more often. Pinky Promise. I really like this pink. And I do have an e.l.f. powder blush just to set that. I'm not usually a powder blush girl, but this gets the job done. It looks nice on the skin. It sets everything. I like it. It's nothing special, but I like it. If you know me, you know that I don't usually wear highlighter. I like kind of a natural dewy finish, but I have tried the e.l.f. Halo Glow Highlighting Wand, and it's pretty much the same as the bronzer, I'm not gonna lie. Next, we'll do the brows. I have the Brow Laminating Gel. It on one end has like the lamination, on the other end has these brushes, which I think is pretty handy. How do I open the other end? What? Okay. Let's try this again. See how this holds in the eyebrow. It's like it's pretty sticky. It's holding them in place. I'll brush them up with this part and then I'll kind of shape them with the other end. I kind of like this gel. I like that it comes with the two ends that are dry, because when I try to shape with the wet end, it like gets in my foundation and concealer and things. So honestly, really like the packaging for this one as well. Next is eyeshadow. I've been dying to try out the Finest Fleck glitter eyeshadow, but I don't know where to wear it. So we're gonna try it out today. I am gonna start with just the basic colors here, the lightest ones, just to lay something down on my eyelid. I'm a little nervous about this pigment, but everyone's been talking about this eyeshadow, so I better try it. Oh my gosh, it looks dark. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing, but it shifts to green a little bit, which is interesting. I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade of the other palette that I had because I want to use it as eyeliner. Because if you know me, you've seen my other videos, you know I don't really wear eyeliner, but I do like to make my eyes pop by having something dark close to my eyes. I always have to go in and clean up after myself because I make a huge mess every single time I'm doing eyeshadow and then have to redo concealer or powder. I'm gonna go off screen and apply some mascara because this is not an e.l.f. product, but it is my holy grail, and I will not be doing a makeup look without this mascara. And we're back and ready for lips. I have a lot of options for lips, so I'll do a quick rundown, but then tell you what my favorite lip combo is at the moment. Of course, we have all of the Glow Reviver lip oils. I did a video talking about which shade was my favorite. I'm obsessed with these. These are better than high-end lip oils. I've said it and I'll say it again. These are fantastic. e.l.f.'s best product, in my opinion. Now, they've just released the Glow Reviver lip balm, and I love this stuff. It is comparable to higher end lip balms like the Summer Fridays one. I personally prefer the Summer Fridays better, but I will say this one is thick, it's moisturizing, it lasts long, and the color is beautiful. As much as it pains me to say it, I don't think I'm going to use this in my lip combo today, but I just wanted to tell you how much I love it. And a little shout out to the Melting Balm's little sister, which is the Squeeze Me Lip Balm from e.l.f. I was obsessed with this, specifically the grape one, and if you were to make like this scent into the Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm, I would buy 100. I would buy 100. This scent is really nice too, but this, so good. I'm gonna start with the Cream Glide Lip Liner. These are super creamy, super easy to blend, but they don't last that long, which, like, for the price of these, I'm not mad about. I really do think this is like the perfect nude color for my skin tone. It's really hard for me to find something that's like brown but like leans toward pinky brown, and this is the perfect color. This is the color Mauve Aside, which I do remember that I bought because I saw a girl do a lip combo with this one and I thought it looked beautiful on her. This is my newest lip oil that I added to the collection just the other day. I couldn't help myself when I was in Walmart, so I thought maybe I should use this one. It's so sparkly. And here's the final look using only viral e.l.f. products and my favorite mascara. And honestly, e.l.f. is coming for high end, but you already knew that. Let me know which e.l.f. products actually worked for you and which ones flopped. As I mentioned earlier, not all of the products worked on my skin type, but that doesn't mean they won't work on yours. And if there's another brand you want me to do a full face of, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see even more affordable makeup in action, hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. See you next time!